Okay, so what I'm going to go over today is I'm going to go over just some of the basics of Google Sites so that we can kind of navigate it and start to build our websites and put them together. It's pretty easy to understand and pretty intuitive, but I'll just show you some of the basic stuff. So if you open up a new tab in Google Chrome and you go up over to the waffle board in the top right-hand corner here and click on it, you may have to scroll down a little bit, but you should be able to find this icon right here that says Sites. So when you click on that guy there, it will take you to Google Sites. And when Google Sites first loads up, you have a few different options. There is just a blank site with nothing on it, and then they give you some templates. I would suggest starting from one of their templates because it gives you just a nice space. You're not trying to come up with everything on your own, but you can just start with a purely blank website and build it right from scratch. So if I click on the salon template here, I'm just going to flip over to my other tab because I already have it open. It should bring you to something like this. So you've got a basic template, and the whole point behind this is just they're showing you how you can set up your website. With Google Sites, it's fairly easy and fairly intuitive to edit things. If you want to change the text, all you have to do is hover over the text. You'll see the box pop up around it. And then as soon as you click in, you can edit your text. So if I want this to be, say something along the lines of, oops, I have my caps lock on, Mr. Withers website, I can just start typing in it. The neat thing is, just like most Word programs, if you want to change the font, all you got to do is highlight your font. You can change it. So if I want to make it a little bit different, I can bold it, I can change the size. So you can do pretty much everything you would normally expect with fonts. Okay, so pretty easy to use. If you decide you didn't want that there, or you didn't want anything on Google Sites, then you can always hit the remove button and it will completely get rid of whatever you're working on. So you can see I've gotten rid of that text. If I want to undo that, you can always hit Control Z and that'll bring it back. So undo your last step. From there, you have some fairly easy things to use. On the side here, you've got this Layouts tab. Okay, and the layouts just kind of help make quick, easy layouts for your website. So if I scroll down a little bit and let's say right here underneath my home photo, I wanted to have 3 product photos. I just click on this 3 product or this little layout here and boom, it's right there and I can start to edit it. Click to edit the text so I can put in different text and I can click here to add a picture either by uploading or from my drive. You can always change colors and features of these little kind of spaces or layouts within your sites just by using this menu on the side here. So the background I can change if I click on this. I can change its style. So if I want it to be emphasized, boom, there it is. In this case, it's pink. I can go in and change the color and themes, which I'll show you later. I can also duplicate a section. So if I want more of these photos, I just click that. Or if I decide, you know what, I don't want it, it's messing up my website, then I can just delete that section and it will get rid of it again. Okay, so fairly easy to use, fairly easy to navigate. That's how you would add in sections and take sections out. The last thing with this little side menu here is you see these little kind of dots on the side here. If you click that, you can actually drag and move sections around and you'll see this blue bar appear and that's where it's going to insert, is right where that blue bar is. Okay, so if I go, you know what, I want this full service experience up at the top, I can click and drag and move it around. So that's where I'll stop my first video on Google Sites. I'll have a second one with a little bit more in depth how to change things on Google Sites and navigate it.